I told you there are two formulas are there to calculate the molecular formula. Okay. So
Yeah.
how to do? Let me write down here. Molecular formula is equal to n into empirical formula. N into empirical formula. This is the one formula. This is the case number one. Okay. Case number two. Case number two. Molecular mass is equal to n into empirical mass. Okay.
Yeah.
This is what is the case number two. This is what is known as empirical mass. Empirical mass. And if you talk about this one, this is the molecular mass.
Mhm.
Molecular mass. Now you can EF if you talk about this is empirical formula. Empirical formula. And if you talk about MF, this is molecular formula. So these many terms are there. Okay. Now the problem which you are studying now, problem that which you are studying, in that problem, what is the things are there that molecular mass must be given. Then only it is the applicable. If molecular mass is not given, you can't do anything. You will be helpless, right? So any of the question whichever you have gone through, you can go and check that is the molecular mass is given in that case. Okay, and empirical mass you can calculate. So you let me know. It is there with you, the slide one, which I share you. Which of the problem you want to know? The one problem is there, my handwritten is there. Another is the type one is there. Which one you want?
Oh, okay. It says here, sir, molecular mass is 84. Okay, I made I
Which question
calculated.
should I tell?
No, sir, I got all of them correct.
Hmm.
The one question for the last one, the molecular mass, I didn't know, but it
Hmm.
says so. I made mistake.
So, can you do by yourself or should I teach you?
No, 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 sir. I understood. Now you
You
told
want
me.
some of the problem or you will be able? Okay,
No, no,
okay,
sir.
okay.
I understand
So
because you.
see that whenever you are solving now, it must be given. It must be given. It must be given. Molecular mass, you see in all the cases, molecular mass must be given. Then only you can calculate the empirical mass. That is molecular formula. In all the question, wherever they are asking molecular formula, molecular mass is given. You can check out the second slide I sent. Na, in that slide it is given.
Yeah, I saw. I made mistakes, sir. Sorry.
So what shall I do? Should I teach? Hmm. Okay. Can I teach the another topic or the you want some problems on it?
I understood this one, sir.
So can I go on another topic now?
Yeah.
Can I change the topic?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Now we are going to law of chemical combination. Law of chemical combination. Chemical combination.
Sir, is this the
Till now we
stike?
didn't study this one. No, stoichiometry is almost all completed. It is the separate point, I think. We studied or not, I don't know. I I didn't teach till now, na, law of chemical combination. Do you have any idea?
We haven't learned this one.
Okay, we didn't study, na.
No, no. This one, no.
Okay, stoichiometry is completed. Huh.
Okay.
Stoichiometry is completed, but the same chapter it is going on. The chapter is same. Stoichiometry first chapter only. From there it is their law of chemical combination. So
Okay.
see the law of chemical combination. If you define, how can we define the same chapter we are? When the I will change the chapter. Second chapter atomic structure. I will tell. Okay, this is the
Okay.
same chapter we are running. Small topics are there. Few more that we will finish. Law of chemical combination. What is there? The question they are saying that is every compounds are formed by every compounds are formed by certain rules, certain rules. which all together, they are saying which all together are known as, what, that is what we can say, which all together are known as law of chemical combination. Law of chemical combination. Okay. So any of the compound you are forming that is following certain rules. Any of the compound is being formed with the help of the rules only. Okay, without rules, none of the compound is going to be formed. And they are saying this all the rule, when you are combining all the rule, these all the rule are going to be called as law of chemical combination. Okay. You are firstly we are going for the types. Law of conservation of mass. This is first one. Law of conservation of mass. This is first one. Second one, law of definite proportion. Law of definite proportion. Next one, law of multiple proportion. MUL, multiple proportion. And the next one, if you are going, that is law of, or you can write Gay-Lussac's law. You know, two more are there. That is what Gay-Lussac's law. Gay-Lussac's. Gay-Lussac's law. Gay-Lussac's. Gay-Lussac's law. And last one is Avogadro law. Avogadro law. This, see, total five laws are there. These all the five laws combined together, and they are known as law of chemical combination. Law of chemical combination. Okay, this if you, but when it is coming, when you are combining all together, then it is coming law of chemical combination. Okay, can you understand this one? Okay, so please, if you don't mind, please write down now for 1 minute.
Okay, done, sir. Sir? Sir?
Yes, yes,
Done.
done.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm finding the problems. Let me find out the problems on mole concept, stoichiometry. Okay, let me erase this one first one. Then I'm telling you the, okay, first one we are going law of conservation of mass. This is law of conservation of mass. This is the first one we are going to study. You must be knowing this law. Do you know what is law of conservation of mass?
Yes, sir, I know.
What? Can you tell me?
That uh, it
Can you tell
will,
me?
the same mass will retain no matter the shape or like matter or form.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, according to this law, they are talking about, according to this law, okay, according to this law, the during the chemical reaction, during the chemical reaction, during the chemical reaction, they are talking about during the chemical reaction, the mass of reactant, है ना? But the mass of reactants are always are always equal to
Not for
mass of
product.
product. Mass of product. According to this law, during the chemical reaction, mass of reactant. Okay, so here mass of reactant means sum of mass of reactant, है ना? Sum of mass of reactant are always equal to sum of, this is what, sum of mass of product. Suppose CaCH3 is there, or you can change this one and this one another. Suppose I am having the example. What is, I am giving the example CH4 plus O2. So they are talking about CO2. So they are saying that its product is 44 gram. Okay, and and H2O is also forming, and here they are talking about 36 gram. Okay, so here they are talking about, this is the 32 gram, and here is 16 gram. So they are saying that all they are correct or not. All they are correct or not. They are following the law of conservation of mass or not. They are, that we have to understand. 64 gram. This much they have said, that we have to follow, and we have to answer that these are following the law of conservation of mass or not. Can you tell me yes or no?
Yes,
Yes. How can you say this one?
because 16 plus 64 is 80,
Hmm.
and 44 plus 36 is also 80.
Because mass of reactant must be equal to mass of product. Yes or no? See,
Yeah.
here is mass of reactant. If I am calculating mass of reactant, it must be correct one. Mass of reactant 16 plus 64. So it is going to be how much? 0, 80 gram.
Huh.
Mass of product. Mass of product. So mass of product is equal to, it is, that is 44 plus 36. So 44 plus 36, you can find out. This is 0 and 80 gram. So what in this question you find? So mass of reactant, mass of reactant. This is what is their mass of reactant is equal to mass of product.
Uh-huh.
Mass of product. So this is following law of conservation of mass. Can you say yes?
Yeah.
Hmm. Okay. Now write down this one, Arav, please. Write down this one.
I have. Done, sir.
Okay. Okay, good. So what I'm going to do, I'm giving you one problem on your WhatsApp number. Okay. That
Okay.
problem you try to solve and let me know the answers. Okay. So one second, sharing this problem. Please check your WhatsApp number. I think it's gone. Huh. Hmm. Can you check that 4 gram hydrogen react with some oxygen? So H2 plus O2 to give 36 gram water. So H2O they are forming, 36 gram is there. You need to write the valence equation. 2 oxygen is there, so this time 2 write 2. Okay, this is solution. So they are asking 4 gram hydrogen reacting. So amount of mass of O2 they are asking, mass of O2. Can you do? Can you try this one? Apply which law you have to apply? Apply law of conservation of mass.
Yeah.
Law of conservation of mass.
So
How much
30,
is coming out of?
32 grams of oxygen.
32 gram. Okay, thank you. So that is mass of O2 if you are going. So this is going to be 32. How? Because 36 minus 4. So that is 32 gram. Okay. Now, so this way I think you will be able to solve the problem. One more problem. Let me check out the other problem. So I will send you an. So the law of conservation of mass is being very, very simple, not tough. Little bit it is not a tough. Okay. One more problem I'm trying to share you. Let me see that are you be able to understand that one or not. Problem number 2 I am sharing. It is taking time to get sent on WhatsApp. It is rolling down. Okay, but now it is going. 50% has sent. Yeah, check it gone. It reached to you. Can you check this one? Question number 2.
I got now.
In a chemical reaction, baking soda means NaHCO3, mixture containing sodium carbonate and vinegar on heating. So if you are heating, so they are saying that is what they are saying. Sodium carbonate, Na2CO3 is forming, plus sodium carbonate and vinegar. In a chemical reaction, baking soda, mixture containing sodium carbonate and vinegar on heating, 87 grams CO2. So that is CO2 they are heating. Here they are heating a what? That is CO2. How much? 87 gram. Heating gives 87 grams carbon dioxide. What is the mass of the rest? First of all, we need to know that is what is the balance equation. Which side we need to add what? Okay. Then only it can be the problem can be solvable. Okay. So
Sir,
wait a
what is that?
moment. Let me check. So
NaH?
that is
N
NaHCO3. CO3. NaHCO3. Baking soda. This is called baking soda.
Yeah.
Baking soda. So they are saying baking soda, that is the reactions on meeting, they are saying on heating gives residue and carbon dioxide. So here they are saying carbon dioxide. Hence, they are talking about that is how much 150 gram you are heating, 150 gram mixture containing sodium bicarbonate and vinegar on heating gives 87 gram. It is coming 87 gram CO2. So they
So,
are asking what is the mass of residue? This is residue.
so 63
Residue
grams.
means Na2CO3.
Oh.
So this will going to be what? 63 gram. I hope this is very easy, Arav. So
Yeah.
nothing to teach in this case. I will send you the problem. You can go and you can try this one. Okay, by your own self. Okay. I'm going directly to the second law. Law of definite proportion. Can I explain this one? Law of definite proportion.
Yes.
Hmm. Okay. They are saying according to this law, according to this law, every elements in a compound in a compound are always present in fixed proportion by mass by mass by mass, no matter by what method they prepare, no matter by what method they prepared or where they found where they found, but they always bear but they always ALWAY, but they always bear simple whole number ratio. Whole number ratio. Simple whole number ratio. This is what is the concept. Simple whole number ratio. Can you understand this one? I will tell you this with the help of example so that 100% you can understand easily. They are saying what? Every element in a compound are always present in fixed proportion by mass. Fixed proportion by mass, comma. They are saying no matter. There's some spelling error is there. No matter, matter. No matter by what method they prepare or where they found, but they always bear simple whole number ratio. Okay. Can I erase this one? Can I erase this one?
1 second, sir.
Understood? Can I change the page?
1 second, sir.
Can I change
I'm
the
just,
page?
I'm just writing it, sir. 1 minute.
Okay, okay. Hmm. Uh, this is based on a daily life experience.
So they always have full whole number ratio.
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay, fine, done, sir.
Okay. So example, we are going for the examples. Let us see the examples. Example. Suppose we are talking about formula of water. Formula of water. This is H2O.
Yeah.
Okay. Now if I will talk H2O, okay. Let us say that is so many places. Suppose I am talking about Singapore,
Uh,
where you are staying. Okay. In India, I am going for the seawater. Seawater. Next one, I am talking about tap water.
uh,
Okay. Next one, I am taking groundwater. Groundwater.
mm-hmm.
And another is, suppose river water. Can you tell me that is formula in these compound will be same or the different? Formula of water will be same or different?
Same.
In Singapore, what is formula you are using? H2O only.
Uh-huh.
Here in India, we are using that is H2O. Here is H2O. This is H2O. Here is also going to be H2O only. And this place also H2O. Hydrogen mass in the Singapore also 1. And oxygen mass is also that is 16. This one. Now, H ratio O. If oxygen and hydrogen ratio I am writing, if I am writing oxygen ratio hydrogen, is the screen is visible to you, na? Full screen is visible to you, na?
Yeah, yeah.
Or the side one, my peak is image is coming side.
No, no, no. It's. I've put it down so I can see.
Okay, okay. So hydrogen and oxygen you see. So hydrogen is if you took out of two hydrogen are there, so mass will be how much? 2 ratio 16. So how much coming? 1 ratio 8. Is it okay?
1 second, sir.
Yes or no?
Why? Let me
Hydrogen
skip.
ratio oxygen we are going. So 2 hydrogen is there here. 2 and oxygen mass 16. 2 ratio 16 means 1 ratio 8.
Okay, okay, okay.
Now go for the India. India also you will find that is 2 ratio 18. That is also coming 1 ratio 8. If you are going seawater, that is S ratio you are calculating 1 ratio 8. If you are calculating HH ratio, this is also coming. Everywhere you are finding 1 ratio 8. Everywhere you are finding 1 ratio 8. So is it fixed or not? Can you tell me? Is it fixed or not?
Yes.
So this is fixed now. Since it is being fixed, that is why it is known as law of definite proportion, or that is law of constant proportion, or law, no, this is. So this is what the example. Can't you understand this?
Yeah, I understood, sir.
Hmm. Is it okay?
Yeah, I understood, sir.
Okay. Write down, please.
Done.
Write down, please.
I wrote
Okay.
down.
One question I am giving you. Yes, yes. Questions. Question C. CO2 is prepared by various method. Various method. Explain that. Explain that it has fixed proportion of element by mass. Of elements by mass. Of element by mass. What rule they follow? What rule they follow? A number. CO plus half O2. This is giving CO2. B number. C plus O2. CO2. C number. CH4 plus O2. CO2 plus 2H2O. D number. CaCO3 on heating CO2 plus CaO. They are not talking about other element. They are asking about this compound particular. Which rule they are following in this compound? What rule is being followed? They are asking. Okay. Are they have the fixed ratio by mass or not? That is they asking.
Mm.
Hmm. And if they are having the fixed ratio by mass, what is the rule they are following and what is the ratio? Tell me. Arav.
Yeah, I'm looking.
Ha.
B.
Means that is what rule they are following.
Rule they're following is
Which rule they are going to follow? Law of definite proportion. Yes or no?
yeah, the
Because
one P and two O.
because in each C ratio O. So 12 ratio how much? 32. 12 ratio 32 means 4 3 are 12, 3 ratio 8, 3 ratio 8. So here is 3 ratio 8. This is also 3 ratio 8. This is also 3 ratio 8 and this is also 3 ratio 8. So this is having the fixed ratio by mass. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So since they are having fixed ratio by mass, so they are following what student are a law of definite proportion.
Portion.
Uh-huh. Understood or not?
Yeah. Just 1 minute, sir. I'm just writing it down.
Understood.
Yeah.
Okay. Now the next one we are. Can I erase this one now?
Just 1 second, sir.
Okay, you can take time, no problem. Done.
1 second. Yeah. Done.
Okay. So when they are talking about law of multiple proportion, so that is very easy. Let me tell you, law of multiple proportion. This one. when a element combine to fixed mass of fixed mass of other element fixed mass of other element fixed mass of other element. When an element combine to fixed mass of other element fixed mass of other element to form two or more than two or more than two or more than two compounds, then this element always bear simple whole number ratio simple whole number ratio in all compounds okay. So that I will explain you very easily, you can understand. First of all, you write down the statement, then I will explain.
Okay.
Firstly, you write down the statement, then I will explain this one.
Yeah.
What is timing now in the Singapore?
Sorry?
What time is now in the Singapore? This is
1:38.
1:38. In India, it is how much? It is 11 a.m.
It's 1:38 p.m.
PM. Here it is AM. Okay, good only. Done, finish our writing work.
Yeah, done, sir.
Can I give you the example?
Yeah.
See, that is example of law of definite proportion. Three example I am giving you, and with this example you can easily understand. Example number one. See, P plus half O2. So
Sir,
it is
isn't it
CO2.
multiple proportion?
See,
No.
this mass is fixed. One mass I am fixing. And here how many are there? 16 gram. How 60 gram? 1 by 2 into mass of O2 means how much? 32. So it will come 16 gram. Okay. Half
Yeah.
O2 means if you are writing half O2, if you are writing
Yeah.
half O2 means what? That is 16 gram. Okay. Another C plus O2. It is forming CO2. Okay. See, this one will be not CO2, CO will be there. Okay. Now, see, this is the fixed mass. And what is the O2 if you see, that is 32 gram, 32 gram. So they are saying when one element combining with fixed mass of other element. Okay. When one element combining with fixed mass of other element. So this is what is these two are there. They are the fixed mass. And this is the oxygen is combining, that is the 16 gram 30 gram. So they are combining to form two different compounds, right? So carbon is fixed, there is no problem. What about the oxygen will combine in the fixed ratio. So ratio of O and O in CO and in CO2 So let us try. How many oxygen? One oxygen means 16, and here two oxygen means 32. So it is 1:2. So this is what is simple whole number ratio. Simple whole number ratio.
So, sir.
Can you understand, student? Can you understand?
Yeah, sir, but is this law
Ha.
of definite proportion or law of multiple proportion?
Law of definite, no, this is a, I have given law of multiple proportion we are writing, na? Not definite. Law of multiple. I am extremely sorry. This example is law of multiple proportion. Why I am saying multiple? Because that is the two different compound is being formed, na? This
Uh,
example of law of multiple proportion. Multiple.
sir, it's raining.
Multiple. See the go on the page. See,
Sir,
okay. See
just
when. Yes, yes.
just 1 second, sir. It's raining, so I need to bring the clothes inside. Just 1 second.
Okay.
Just 1 minute.
When a element combine to fix mass of other element. So a element is there, fixed mass of other element. So mass of one, see, C plus
Sir,
O2, how much? Half O2. And C plus, they are saying O2. So this is forming CO, because this and this will be cancelled out, CO, and another is CO2. To form two or more than two compounds. So that is more than two different compounds. So these are the two compounds, different compound, two different compound, two different compound. Now,
okay, sir,
then, and this is the fixed mass. This is talking about, they are saying this is the fixed mass. Hmm.
sir.
Mm-hmm.
Can you give me 1 minute? I have to go and put the clothes inside because it's raining.
Okay. In 1 minute, it is going to this meeting is going to end. So firstly, you
Okay,
can take the screenshot. It is going to end now.
okay,
Take
okay,
the
okay.
screenshot, please.
Okay, I took.
Uh,
I took screenshots, sir.
and the next page also, you take the screenshot. This one also.
Okay, done.
So that is what I am saying. In 1 minute, it is getting disconnect. You learn from the screenshot. You read out the statement. Again, I am sending you the link. You join from there. Okay.
Yeah, okay.